Welcome back to In the Kitchen with Grace. So glad you're joining us today. We are doing a delicious, healthy blackberry chicken salad. Yum. We love to have big, hearty, protein-packed salads for dinners. Also like to eat them for lunches too. And this recipe is super easy and the dressing is so good. Blackberries right now are in season for us. We actually have some blackberries that we can go and pick fresh, however, a little short on time. So I just grabbed a big pack from the store. I have made my chicken already. I made this in the slow cooker. I love slow cooker chicken. It comes out so soft and tender, packed with taste and flavor. So I have prepared my chicken breasts already. I did this yesterday doing meal prep. Great way to use leftover chicken if you already have chicken left over. You could use any kind of seasoned chicken, honestly, with this salad recipe. Grilled chicken is phenomenal as well. That little bit of barbecue flavor. So I have already sliced and diced up my chicken. And I am going to use an organic spring mix lettuce blend. It's got baby spinach. It's a pretty tasty and colorful lettuce blend here. So we're gonna go ahead and fill up our salad bowl. I will put all of the ingredients, especially for that dressing, in the description below. If you are returning, thank you so much. And if you're new, hello, welcome. You'll find all sorts of easy, family-friendly recipes that you can make at home, your family will love. They do everything from breakfast, lunch, dinner, snacks, holidays, desserts, drinks. You'll find those here on our channel. Okay, I think I have enough salad in there. I'm gonna close this up. I did, speaking of blackberries, I did some blackberry Earl Grey iced tea. I'll try to link to that recipe. A super tasty, a nice alternative to an iced coffee beverage. If you're into tea, that's a good one to check out. Okay, I am going to add in now, this is about a half a cup of onion, red onion, and I am going to sprinkle this around and then actually kind of toss it into the salad. I like to leave my onions when I'm making a nice salad a little bit bigger. That way you can actually get them on your fork. Nice little toss here. Okay, I'm gonna grab our chicken. And we're actually gonna kind of toss this into the salad as well. Speaking of chicken, I have some great chicken salad recipes. Classic chicken salad, dill pickle chicken salad. We just did a couple weeks ago a honey mustard chicken salad, like actual with salad. Lettuce, so good. My husband absolutely loved that homemade honey mustard dressing. It's one of his favorites. Let me give this a little toss. There we go. Okay, now we are going to add in some walnuts. You could use pecans if you wanted to. Kind of in the mood for some walnuts, and I'm just going to add in about a handful. You don't need it too many, but it does add a nice little crunch, some extra flavor and protein into your salad. And then we are going to grab our blackberries. Heck yeah. I love to add fresh fruit into our salads. Blueberries and strawberries and blackberries go so well with so many salad dressings. We're gonna just sprinkle these right on in. Again, fresh berries are always best if you can just pick them straight up out of your berry bushes, your garden. We have some along the creek behind us, but they're not quite ripe yet, so. All right, I'm gonna set this aside and we're gonna work on our dressing. So I have a little bowl and I'm gonna grab my tablespoon and my teaspoon. Okay, we are gonna start with 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard. And if you're gonna make an extra large salad, feel free to double up this dressing recipe. All right, after the Dijon mustard, we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. We're gonna do 2 tablespoons of honey. Honey's sticky. I don't bother with the measuring spoons. If you do 1 little dollop, it's about a teaspoon. If you do a large dollop, it's about a tablespoon. So there's 1, 2 tablespoons or so. Doesn't have to be exact. We're gonna sprinkle in a little salt, a little pepper. I'm gonna grab some soy sauce. We're gonna do a splash, about a teaspoon. This dressing just goes so well with the blackberries. I love it. Okay, and then I'm gonna grab a little bit of olive oil. I'm gonna do 2 tablespoons of olive oil. I'm gonna use light. Perfect. Okay, we're gonna give this a little stir. Get all that mustard in there. If you have a whisk, you could use a whisk. I like to simplify things in the kitchen, use as few of dishes as possible. Heck, I'm a busy mom. I already load and unload that dishwasher plenty. Get that oil kind of incorporated in with the vinegar. There we go. And that honey. Make sure you get that honey scraped off the bottom of your little bowl. Perfect. Okay. I'm actually going to pour this right into a little storage container. Now this dressing, you guys, a little goes a long way. You don't need a ton, even if your family members are huge on dumping the salad dressings onto your salads. You don't need a lot. Okay, and now let me go look at cheese here, friends. Hold on just a minute. Okay, if I am sticking with chicken in this blackberry salad, I would put in some Feta. If by chance you have like some leftover grilled steak instead of chicken, the blackberries in this dressing goes so good with steak as well. You could totally add in some blue cheese crumbles. However, I just made up a mezz platter just a couple days ago, and I had some leftover applewood smoked Gruyere cheese. It's phenomenal. And so I have sliced and chopped up little bits of this cheese. Now, here's the thing with the salad, you guys. Between the dressing that is so flavorful and the blackberries and your seasoned chicken, you don't need a ton of cheese. You just want to have a hint of cheese when you are eating this salad, okay? So we're gonna, where did my tosser go? Here we go. Toss this just a little bit. Oh yeah, this looks so good, you guys. I cannot wait to eat it. Ooh, I forgot, I have a ton of leftover cucumbers. Oh my gosh. Did cucumber tea sandwiches. We actually were caterers too, and so we have a salad bar option. And we had a ton of leftover cucumbers. So I made tea sandwiches, cucumber chive tea sandwiches with the leftover cucumbers. And we're gonna go ahead and just toss in a few cucumbers too, because they're healthy and they're delicious. They add a little nice crispy crunchiness to your salad. I'm not gonna add in a ton. Okay, great, you guys, I'm so excited. Always looking, I'm a busy, active mama, and I'm always looking for easy, healthy lunch, dinner alternatives, and these salads are definitely one of our go-tos. So there we have it. It's our blackberry chicken salad with walnuts, some Gruyere cheese, seasoned chicken. What else do we put in there? Red onion and some cucumbers. And then we have our balsamic vinaigrette dressing. Yum. Thank you all so much for watching today. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already so you can get notified every time we have a new recipe up. We'll see y'all next time. Oh, by the way, if you aren't already doing so, you could pin and save our recipes at In the Kitchen with Grace 1 on Pinterest. We're also on Instagram and Facebook, so we'll see you there too.